Hello everybody, wishing you all a very happy Teachers' Day. Today's topic on which I'm going to talk about is who is a teacher? Well, let me begin with one beautiful proverb by the Buddhist which says that you have no friends, you have no enemies, you only have teachers. That means that all which happens to us, the good, the bad, the ugly, it's only for a reason, and that reason is to teach us something. The sooner we learn about certain things in life, as to what lessons we need to be learning in life, I guess they are our teachers. Teachers in life need not necessarily be in the human form. They are everywhere. Look at nature. If we have the habit of observing nature, it's the best teacher. The COVID has taught us lessons which I guess nobody, no episode could ever teach us. How many times have you wondered? There are mothers shouting at the kids, you be home, don't be out late, sit down in a place. That's exactly what's happening now. COVID taught this lesson. How many times have you wondered or have you heard about women telling their husbands are out, I wish they would be home? Get it now, they are whole all the time. So it's all the lessons we learn through the various evidences as we are seeing during the COVID. Teachers are here to teach us. So teacher in any form is always welcome. The next aspect is how malleable, how flexible, how adaptable we are. To learn from a teacher, to learn from an episode which is here to teach us a lesson, we have to be very flexible, we have to be adaptable, we have to be good learners. In life, when we want to go ahead in life, we only have to understand one thing, and that is being a good learner, being adaptable and applying what we have learned. There is no point repeating mistakes in life and not learning the lessons. Life would just roll on. And at the end of the day, we are only going to see ourselves rubbing our hands because time has passed. So, every teacher we come across in life, be grateful. As I mentioned, good, bad, ugly, all for a reason. Thank everything which happens to your life, learn from it, grow and evolve. How many times, the next question I would like to ask is, how many times have you ever wondered, when will I find my teacher? When will I find a guru? The time you are ready, the guru is going to appear. The time when you are setting such a high intention that you want to learn something new, you will find a guru. That means it begins from you. It's all within us. We just have to begin. And the beginning is with setting the intention. Intention to learn, intention to learn, and intention to learn. With what intention we learn is what we are going to get in our life. So, if you want a teacher, see as yourself how adaptable I am to any teacher I come across. If I am looking at growing in life, what are the learnings from my teacher that I am using in my life? And if you want to evolve, what is it that I can give back to the world from what I have learned that I become a teacher? Guys, each one of us are beautiful teachers. Wonderful teachers because we have beautiful stories behind us. And when we are able to share them, we are able to grow in life. Growing in life is the purpose why we are here on this earth. The purpose why we are born as humans. And to grow, we need to keep learning. Learning is a never-ending process. But along with it comes application. Apply what you have learned, and then you would see the whole world change. As Indians, we believe in the gurus. The guru who doesn't learn to teach, who practices what he teaches. So yes, it is very important that we look forward to having a guru who teaches us something which is way beyond anything from where you cannot actually find things from. No amount of knowledge can help you if you are not having a person with you who practices what they preach. So with this best wishes that yes, all of you do find your teachers everywhere. Like it's beautifully said in the movie Three Idiots, Gyan sab jagah hai, bator lo. Yes, and added to it, apply it in life. What holds good for you will be beneficial, and what doesn't hold, please leave it aside. We need not become encyclopedias. We only have to get in that much knowledge which we can apply. So I guess guys, all of us are now moving towards a no new normal world. And in this new normal world, we are going to face certain things, a huge change wherein we need to be adaptable, flexible, learners, and also people who apply what they learn. No point having all your degrees on the wall and you having nothing in your cellular level learnings. Cellular level learnings only happens when we practice what we preach. So yes guys, I hope all of you are looking forward to more learnings, to more teachings, to more growth, evolve and be better human beings. That's the need we have. Each one of you become better teachers by becoming good learners. With that note, I wish all of you a very happy Teachers' Day. Awaken the light within you and spread the radiance to the world. Thank you and namaskar.